How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to get your iPhone or iPad out of this screen right here, which is called recovery mode. It may be a cable pointing to a computer, or if your iPhone or iPad is a little bit older, it may be a cable pointing to the iTunes logo, but it's the same thing. And the coolest thing about this process is you will not lose any data. We will not need to erase your device because we will not need to restore using iTunes. So there's no restore, there's no format, nothing like that. This method is amazing. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay guys, so as you can see, we will need a computer for this process, but don't worry because it doesn't need to be a Mac at all. You can use a Windows PC for this process, so it doesn't matter what computer you have, it will work. And as I mentioned, we will not use iTunes because with iTunes you have to lose all your data because you have to restore your phone, and we don't want that. So we will use another software, and that's called Fixpo. Okay, I'm gonna have a link in the description, and it is 100% free. Okay, there is a paid version of this software, but for what we want, which is to exit recovery mode, it's 100% free. So we have a Mac download and a Windows download right here. Again, I'm gonna have this page in the description, so you click, you scroll down a bit, and then you download. All right, I already have downloaded, so then just download and install. It's a normal, very light software, and that's how it looks like. Okay, a lot of people do this with ReiBoot, but I honestly prefer with Fixpo. That's what I recommend. All right, okay, so here I have my iPhone in recovery mode, and as I said, it works with iPhone and iPad. So then I'm just gonna put my iPhone right here, and then what I have to do is connect both of them via a cable. Okay, I generally recommend that you get always authentic Apple cables and authentic Apple accessories as well. But I'm gonna use in this video a very high quality cable, and that works as well. Okay, so then connect to the computer and then connect to the iPhone, and then that's it. Just you're good to go, and all you have to do is you open Fixpo as I have right here, and then you go to this bottom option, enter exit recovery mode. So tap on that, and then it's gonna say please connect to the computer. We have already done that. Hit next, and then all you have to do is exit recovery mode. As you can see, it is already in recovery mode, so we can't enter, and we have to exit. Okay, so exit, and then I'm not gonna skip or anything like that, so you guys can see that it actually works. There's no scam or anything like that, and that the process is super fast. As you can see, it's already rebooting. You see the Apple logo right here, and then let's just wait, and it will work. So you already see on the screen, exited recovery mode successfully, and there you have my iPhone right here. And as you just saw, it takes like 30 seconds. I'm just gonna now unlock my iPhone. Of course, I'm gonna need to put my passcode, and then just hit OK. And as you can see, here's my iPhone with all of the information. I'm just gonna trust this computer, not now. And then all my apps, all my files, everything is here. So as you just saw, it exited recovery mode. It got my iPhone out of recovery mode, and I didn't lose anything. Everything is here. All my reminders, contacts, all the notifications are the same. All the badges, everything. It's perfect. So as I promised, exit recovery mode without losing any data. Amazing. But the thing is, even awesome applications like those with awesome methods like those sometimes don't work. Like even with Fixpo or ReiBoot, sometimes you do everything that I showed you, you do everything correctly, but the iPhone or the iPad will not exit recovery mode. It will turn off, turn back on, and you see the exact same screen. And probably you get an error on the application saying that the iPhone could not exit recovery mode. That happens. It's like 10% of the cases, but that happens. And generally it's because iOS is corrupt. It's corrupt in a way that you just cannot reboot and it's gonna go back to normal. No, you have to unfortunately format it, reset it, restore it via iTunes. So then you do the normal process of plugging in your iPhone to the computer, and then you're gonna see the iTunes pop up saying that your iPhone was recognized in recovery mode, and then you have to just go ahead and click restore, download iOS, and follow the on-screen instructions to restore your iPhone and unfortunately lose all your data. As I said, this is very uncommon. It's like 10% of the cases, but it may happen. You may be forced to restore via iTunes. And actually, there is like 1% of the cases this may happen, okay? Even if you use Fixpo or Reboot or you use iTunes, it will not exit recovery mode at all. It would be like stuck in recovery mode even after you restore with iTunes as many times as you want. And that's because you probably have a hardware issue. So it's not iOS anymore, it's not the software anymore. You can't reinstall it. You can't like erase and clean reinstall it because you have a hardware issue. There's some part in your iPhone that is broken, something has happened. So then in this situation, you cannot fix it on your own, okay? There's no YouTube video that help you out because you have to manually open the iPhone, check what's wrong, and change the part that's broken. So you can't do that. You have to take it to an Apple store. You have to take to Apple so they can repair it, they can fix it. If you are in this situation and if your warranty is still valid, it's gonna be free, okay? Apple will fix you up for free. Maybe they will even give you a brand new iPhone. But if your phone is past your warranty is over, then you have to pay for that service, unfortunately. Okay, so sorry to say that, but maybe if you are in one of those situations, you have to pay a little bit of money. But as I said, in this video, I will teach you how to fix recovery mode, how to exit, and even if I can't, because like no YouTuber can teach you to do that, at least you know what you need to do. The intent of this video is to be educational and teach you to resolve the situation no matter what, okay, no matter how extreme it may be. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye bye.